Do you ever get interest coming from the risk management side or the human resources side, where people are concerned about like preventing workplace injuries? Or is it typically more a matter of protecting the equipment that usually is the more predominant opportunity or pain that you're hearing?
It's very good, Joshua, that you took that item, because it's very important. I think that how to say, the background that we are working with this area since 6-7 years, and we have already seen a very big difference in approach from purchaser and from seller, that this point about security is more and more important. We know that in general material handling, 65%, I think it is, in the accidents are related to manipulating materials. So it's very important to talk about what's happening if you have an accident. Of course, if you're dropping a server, you can evaluate the cost of it, because it's very important. But if you have somebody which are blessed into the activity, first of all, the person could be off work for 2 weeks, 2 months, whatever. But you can also have accidents which are more important, and there you can really have a company problem, social problem. So it's very important to also talk to the security, talk to human resource, because it's important in that phase of accident. But it's also very important as what we call a social aspect of material handling. And now, Joshua, you will say, oh, what's that? No, it's as when you make recruitment of technicians, you have to equip them with a good laptop, to equip them with different material. But it's also the same thing with lifting equipment. If the persons have a light equipment, easy to handle, easy with the maintenance from the supplier, and it's easy to live with this product, that's very important also. Because on the other hand, if you have a heavy equipment which you have a lot of problem with, you can't use it. And that's important for that the people also stay, that you like, we have to move the servers and batteries in the data center. For the moment, the investments are too important to have the robotized system. So anyway, you need a lifting system. And we believe, and we know that companies also, our clients believe that a good equipment will also satisfy the personnel in the company. So it's very important, of course.
Yeah, I mean, it would make sense instinctively that someone that works on a construction crew building a data center has to be able to lift 100 pounds, 60 kilograms, something like that. But you wouldn't think necessarily that someone that's working as a technician or a system engineer, helping to provision and remote hands and stuff, would have to be able to do that. But yeah, as the servers get heavier and even the batteries, like big equipment. And when you think about even diversity in the workplace, which is a huge initiative globally, being able to move equipment safely without someone having a soft tissue injury, having a back injury that takes them out of work for anywhere from weeks to several months and exposes the company to liability. Yeah, big and big medical bills. Yeah, so yeah, that makes a lot of sense that there's even a different path potentially on the education and the pre-sales consulting and analyzing the needs.